Heads is the ball.
Oh, we're going to bat first.
What? Like Robbie said, one slip in place, and 7 in his first over in one-day internationals. Yeah, slightly open stance, isn't he? Opens. There is that swing, straight on it from the big. Perfect joker. Didn't swing as much. It was the first delivery.
Wicket now, just in front of square.
Nice shot. Nice shot. A little bit.
He'll feel a lot better. Get a leg before decision, going his way.
Height.
Matchups. Very high hit on.
Short chance, but it's a chance early on. And that'll be a wide. Just looking
Up how far he stands outside the legs.
Good carry as well. Good pace. Proper cricketer and all-rounder. And he's. Yeah, you see how that one sat down then. Oh, it's a good delivery. Was that a nick? It's been
flown across to Rizwan. One has kept low.
He still kept that slip. I like that. You've got to keep a slip early on. There's definite movement there. You can see too much swing. Lovely shot. It is beautiful shot. Rohit Sharma.
Just a flick of the wrist. It was never looking to keep it.
Yeah, that's what you want. That's exactly what you want. Always pulled right.
Haydos and Waka doesn't sort of.
Yeah, that's a better length. Really good length.
Beautiful seam position.
Missed an over. Shaheen Shah Afridi with 4 balls left. But he's got his length right now. After this break,
left me here to discuss exactly that person in your team that can knock over one of these. Won't do it, does it?
Got him! What a delivery!
Beautiful landing, beating outside the off stump, and that one.
A great player batting at number 4, but he's coming.
Did swing earlier out of the hand. He literally. So it's sort of a hedge your bets type strategy as a batsman.
Wow. Yeah, that's happened today. The line.
I even saw those vision of India and.
What a shot.
Here, Kohli just at his absolute best. For
the length ball. Tried that in the first spell.
Boom! Going across him would have been worried about getting caught on the out. That is
27.
Everything has to be on the highlights package at the end of the day. You're allowed to get ones. And
oh, he's gone down the leg side again. That full.
Virat Kohli just stuck on the crease a little bit. Sight to watch. There's no real rush. That helps. Favour them. Lovely hands, and he's busted it.
Another good shot. Good timing on that one.
Makes him lighter. That's a terrific. Really struggled. Oh! Committed to try and get on that front heel. See, managed to get that ball good. Yeah, good timing. Fine leg was little. Went for 13 and there you go. The shot delivery straight to the man. Shreyas Iyer looking to play the shot. Of course he is. Shreyas Iyer was looking.
Sean Kishan plays the.
Oh, Nick. That was a little. Sanjay Manjrekar said in his report. On for that short delivery. 1 for 18 so far. I'd go for runs as well, that's okay. There's a third man there. There's a fielder underneath. Of the innings. This Ralph is starting again just to finish off his third over.
He's looked very comfortable.
Oh, edge, pass first slip.
It's very fortunate, Sean Kishan.
The swing, what they have changed after the rain. Right here.
Boom! Another one!
And thereabout, but the delivery right length.
India-Pakistan doesn't get any bigger. He had to start about.
So good. Haris Rauf. You can see they're using the pitch more than
These batters, they can play different.
whatever thread there is in the bud. This is going
Floats it up straight into the middle of the bat.
burst. Try and nip. Another one. Gift.
Got deep point coming up.
India is still in it.
Oh, interesting shot this, and
Shot delivery. He likes to play for.
Haris Rauf is coming round the wicket. Ishan Kishan. Oh, well bowled. This is
1 balls, 29 runs.
the second time he's played that shot.
Not a very expansive shot whatsoever.
Ralph has bowled 5, so you can bowl 2.
Good placement. He's a good player of spin.
Just cut that ball and cut late.
At 66 for 4. Maybe perhaps
Situations. Think add 2 wickets to the score. Noise. Oh, what a shot that is.
Look at that. Set up quite nicely.
Fine shot.
Flight it outside the off stump easy.
Was there to be stopped, and that's how you.
Shah Afridi raced away, missed the ball.
Ishan Kishan normally throws. It's gone straight. And
It's a hit. Shaheen Shah Afridi.
his eye.
Fielder was, he knew shot final.
Big side. What about that?
down, and it's just powerful.
The Sri Lankan spinners on a turning track.
Getting some treatment. In the air.
Big strike. Interesting to see what lengths he opts for in this over. That's in the air. This should be taken.
He knew it. He knew exactly where that ball is. It's 2 or 4 for 5.
And Hardik are really quick as a pair.
Oh, that's cut hard into the.
It didn't come his way. Look at.
And this time fine.
Such a clever shot. Plays it on.
Oh, what a shot that is.
Trying to bounce.
Speaking, you've got 2 of the very best.
Jadeja as well.
These 2 batsmen are ready to bite. You've got to take your catch.
Bat. Oh, it's gone through again.
20 runs extra.
Hardik Pandya. It's gone. Slow ball.
Well, we're seeing his fingers across at a good slot
Dark for India. As I said, that
in the night.
gone. Picks up.
For this exact reason, he's a premium. 7 down, 2.
It's gone straight up. This is going to be
And the ever-ready Shadab Khan, who is a mouse for 3. It's Mohammad Rizwan, I reckon, is brilliant.
And that shot is even more.
Dispatched.
Coming back in the depth. That's just to be sure.
Coming, that's just
Wait.
Oh, that's beautifully. Now that's edged. The finger's gone up.
Outside edge, easy catch. 261 for 9.
Now there's a fielder getting under it.
Excellent catch.